Brooks Alberta.
Somebody is looking at me, that's why I'm shy. So I want to unbox this. Why I wanted to show you guys when I unbox it is because I bought it I thought I bought it very cheap at Walmart, $99.98, almost $100 with tax. Let's say $100. Look, it's heavy. So this is the manual. Hey. So this is the manual. So the company is Ninja. Yeah, Ninja. So this is how to set it up for. I've already coupled it. It's looking small on the picture, but it's heavy. It's really heavy. Look, it's big. So let me take out the first bag. Okay, I think they sellotape it under. So this is quite heavy. Don't mind the way I'm carrying it. It's heavy. The first layer and this. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Look, let me just this up. Okay, I think here is where you. I think they sellotape it for protection. I'm tired of carrying it. It's here. See? It's very good. Wow. I think this will enter a lot. See? Yeah, so this is where you do all the setting up. So you can use it to fry chicken. They wrote all the things that you can use it for. Let me push it further. So you can use it for chips, chicken, to cupcake, fish, so many things. So they just listed what you can use it for here. And this is where everything will be happening. And yeah, you press. It's actually good. Hi guys, so we're going to Medicine Hat. This is what I want to wear. I actually got this shoe since 2022. I've not worn it. It has been inside my bag. I took it to Nigeria to wear it, but I did not. That was last year. This year I mean, sorry. So I want to wear this. I want to use this bag. This is a little bit cold today, so I'm going to wear this. I got it from Walmart. So yeah, I'm going to wear it with this bag. Yeah. So let me go shower and prepare. To go 95.
Since before now, $60 now. Please now, right?
I'm going to go to
90 something.
Yeah. Whatever they eat here. You go get me.
Go. Bother your tongue. Go. Do go. Ada do go. Do go. You go. You your tongue. Go.
Snowflakes dance in the air, maple leaves whisper in care. In a land so vast and fair, found a second home right there. Brooks, you shine under the sky. Canada, you make me fly.
Hello guys, today is like the weather today is very good. Look what I'm wearing. I remember these clothes today, even though I cannot zip it up, but still I managed to wear it somehow. Yeah, so today I'm going to my dentist appointment and we are on our way. Let me show you guys the road, then we move.
Memories with every tribe, beauty in each passing by. Long walks in prairie fields, nature's painted canvas yields. Welcome warmth the town reveals, paved roads my journey heals. Brooks, you shine under the sky. Canada, you make me fly. Memories with every tribe, beauty in each passing by. Neighbor smiles every day, hands that help along the way. Found my rhythm, here to stay in this land of hope and play.
Here, South Shore Dental. That's where we're going. So, bye. Love you. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, and I also have classes by 5. I have.
You will be done around 4.
Before I walk home, I walk like a dog. Before I walk home, like. So 8:30 will be perfect.
Okay, so if you want to have your appointment next week, that will be September 10 in the morning.
That's Tuesday, right?
Tuesday, yes.
By 8:30.
Okay, so I'll put your appointment instead of tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, September 10 at 14.
Or the nose. Or the nose. Cosa is good. What about kiss with you? And we're 14.
13 with myself.
Look up.
Winter. Kaka do winter. Plus, we will look for him.
Than this one.
The broccoli bone.
Yeah.
Like,
Look at stockfish.
broccoli.
I like it.
Winter. Quite cheap. 90 something.
That's 60. 69. Hello guys, so today we came to buy some. This place is hot. Hi guys, oh my gosh, this sun is too much. I want to test this. It's not alcohol, it's called Corona. Corona what? Corona some brew or something, whatever. I don't know why the sun is too much here. You know you can do it. Maybe you can come. Or come more. Come soon, get out of here. Manya Hanish didn't cry. Okay. Cheers. Babe. Yeah, natoka bia. First bia. Bia.
Oh, beer, but a mirror form of beer, but go sugar, go anything.
Then I will boom my. You want test of my.
You will take with that test. That's all. We hope.
Should have 3%. This is not beer. It's zero alcohol. It's zero alcohol, but thank you. It's not beer. Stop looking at me like that. It's not beer. Hi, I thought this thing would taste like ginger. I didn't know it would taste. It has beer taste, but it's not beer. It's 0% alcohol. It's not alcohol. and the sugar is just 3%. So I was thinking maybe it would have a little bit. Ugh, the taste, I don't like it. It tastes like beer, but I'll still drink it.
No, just experience. Just die.
Maybe.
The cornbread and the sauce that I have created.
Then they win the Best Buy. Best Buy Express. I think I have it. If we're not in you okay, it's going to she did it clear. See how Brooks.
Laughing through the simple days under skies so clear. Jokes that make the world seem small in the atmosphere. Celebrate the life we share, our Canada. Friends and neighbors everywhere in our Brooks, Alberta. Immigrants